When we set out to identify any gaps in information available to community workers supporting victim survivors of family violence, we spoke to workers from a range of support agencies, and almost everyone said, we get no induction to legal stuff at all, and that everything they pick up is on-the-job training. It can't help that these systems are incredibly complex, with lots of different intersecting laws and processes at both a federal and state level. And while all the work you do involves you being stretched in so many different directions to meet all the competing needs, the stakes for survivors in these areas often couldn't be higher. It must feel like a pretty big ask, especially when you think that legal practitioners working in this one area, like us, undertake years of training to get our heads around these specific issues and undergo regular PDP to keep up to date. But you don't have to work through these legal mazes on your own. That's what we're here for. Because as many of you already know, the truth is that family violence always comes with legal issues. Not just in the sense of seeking protective or intervention orders, though they might be helpful or necessary, but family violence is the root that a whole tree of problems can grow from. And appropriate legal support, in addition to all the work that you do, can help in trimming down the branches. In these videos, we're going to focus on a few key intersecting systems you're likely to be encountering as a worker supporting people experiencing family violence, including intervention orders in the magistrate's court, separation and childcare arrangements in family court, rights to relationship property, financial support, and child protective services. These are big topics, and the point is not to make you a lawyer, or even think like one. Instead, we'll give a general understanding to help you empower those you work with in whatever legal spaces they might be navigating. And we will talk about concrete, practical things you can do to be the best support in each of these areas. Because even in legal areas, there is lots of support you can give that will be really meaningful. But the core message is this: the law is complicated, and there's lots of ways it could work against the interests or wishes of survivors, especially without proper legal support or on semi-informed advice. If you listen to nothing else, we want you to take away that if you help people go and get legal advice early and often from the right sources, you can make a huge difference. This can allow them to have all the information they need to help inform their decision-making now and in the future, whatever choice they end up taking. We know it's not an easy job you're doing, but it can all get a bit easier when we work together.